name is Gayatri. I am studying third class. My school name is Sri Valmiki Maharshi English Medium School in Kutagunda. Amma, Abu, Ika, Uram, Shakespeare, Sakit,
Spear.
Owen,
కిందకి రా ఫ్లవర్స్.
Flower, Bluebell, Rose, Lily, Hibiscus, Lotus, Apple, Banana, Custard Apple, Grapes, Guava, Dog, Goat, G-O-A-T, Goat, Cat, Rabbit, Lion, Insect, Tiger, Hawk.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పు.
Cat.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.